Good morning. Here are the top political and sports news updates from India for 19th March 2025. Political news. India requests US to designate Sikh group as terrorist organization. India has formally urged the United States to classify Sikhs for Justice, SFJ, a Sikh separatist organization, as a terrorist entity. This appeal comes over a year after the US disrupted an alleged plot to assassinate SFJ's legal advisor, Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, purportedly involving a former Indian intelligence officer. The request was conveyed during discussions between India's Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh, and US National Intelligence Chief, Tulsi Gabbard. SFJ, founded in 2007, advocates for the creation of Khalistan, a separate Sikh state, and was banned by India in 2019. Pannun has denied India's allegations, asserting that SFJ's activities are peaceful and accusing India of violent transnational repression. The US has yet to publicly respond to India's request. Curfew imposed in Nagpur following communal clashes. An indefinite curfew has been enforced in parts of Nagpur, Maharashtra, after clashes erupted between Hindu and Muslim groups. The unrest was triggered by demands from nationalist Hindu organizations to demolish the tomb of 17th-century Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. The violence during a protest led to injuries among at least 34 police officers and 5 civilians, along with property damage. Authorities have arrested 50 individuals in connection with the disturbances. Tensions have been escalating under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration, with nationalist groups targeting Muslim places of worship and historical figures like Aurangzeb, accused of persecuting Hindus, a claim some historians believe is exaggerated. Sports news. Kabaddi World Cup 2025 commences in the UK. The Kabaddi World Cup 2025 has begun in the United Kingdom, marking the first time the tournament is held outside Asia. The event features 16 men's teams and 8 women's teams, with matches scheduled across Birmingham, Wolverhampton, Coventry, and Walsall from March 17 to 23. The Indian men's team started strong, defeating Italy 64-22 in their opening match. The tournament aims to showcase and celebrate South Asian culture in the West Midlands. Virat Kohli praises Indian women's cricket team's impact. Former Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli has lauded the Indian women's cricket team for transforming perceptions of women's sports in the country. Their achievements, including silver at the Commonwealth Games and gold at the Asian Games, have boosted engagement and financial stability in women's sports. The team's success has also led to the establishment of the Women's Premier League, WPL, further promoting women's cricket in India. India Masters win inaugural International Masters League T20. The India Masters, led by Sachin Tendulkar, clinched the inaugural International Masters League T20 title by defeating the West Indies Masters, captained by Brian Lara, by 6 wickets. The match took place at the Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Stadium in Raipur. Chasing a target of 149, India Masters reached 152 by 4 in 17.1 overs, with Ambati Rayudu scoring 74 off 50 balls and earning the Player of the Match award. That's all for today. Please subscribe, like and share this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.